Okay, hi guys. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet in this clip because I'm really not supposed to be awake. um, it's like 10 o'clock, almost 11 on a school night. But, so, a little bit of a cold right now. And, thought I would see if I could get anything for you guys. While I'm doing this, I might as well see if I could do some of my requests. So, in a second. Okay, let's see. Alright, I've got a request to do a holdback space staple. Okay. I'm not sure how good I am at it, but I'll try. Okay. I'm trying not to. Jeez. I gotta go make this now. Okay guys, I'm sorry this clip was so short, but I think that's all I can do for now. I'll try to do some more later. Thanks guys.